This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the page orientation in Google Docs. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am on Google Docs. To change your page orientation, as you can see, I'm in kind of the default portrait mode, but to change it to portrait or landscape, what you want to do is go up to the upper left hand corner, up to the File tab. You want to click on File. Then you want to go down to where it says Page Setup and click on Page Setup. Now a little dialog box will open up. In this area right here, this is your orientation area. As you can see, I currently have portrait mode toggled on, but I could toggle on landscape. And also down below that, you could choose your paper size. You could choose any one of these sizes that you want for your paper size. I'm going to go ahead and toggle on landscape to change it to landscape mode. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom and I'm going to click on OK. And as you can see, now it is in landscape mode. And to change it back to portrait, I would just follow the same steps. That is how you change your page orientation in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.